Someone needs to have that fixed.
Does that ever happen to you? Well, if it does, you're not alone. But what you may not realize is tripping over obstacles like that, either real or imaginary, is completely preventable. And not by the city government doing a better job on its maintenance schedule. It's preventable by working on more conscious walking technique. That is something that so many people ignore. Not only will working on your walking technique help reduce your risk of tripping and falling, it's also going to help with your spinal and joint alignment. Imagine this scenario. If your front left tire became worn out on the outer edge, would you consider that normal wear and tear, or would you consider that a problem with alignment that is fixable by proper maintenance? Well, wear and tear on our joints and our spine are similar most of the time. We can prevent wear and tear, arthritis, inflammation, and pain by keeping ourselves maintained with proper alignment, and part of that is by learning proper walking technique. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dr. Todd Martin, creator of The Walking Code, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my top walking tips that you didn't even know you needed to know. If you get value from this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends so they can also benefit from understanding the importance of proper walking technique. And drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and get started.
Tip number 1, heads up, eyes on a swivel. My first tip is to keep your head elevated so your neck is vertically aligned. Imagine your head being stretched upward by a helium balloon, elongating your neck and extending that elongation all the way down your back. Your gaze should generally be straight forward, watching what's coming up in front of you. If you find yourself in a setting where the condition of the ground may be a bit sketchy, it is best to adjust your gaze downward as needed without bending your head forward. Adjusting the gaze downward temporarily will give you a more detailed view of the ground coming up, but there should be no need to continuously gaze down once you have quickly scanned the next 20 or so feet in front of you. Keeping your gaze forward most of the time is not only going to help you keep your spine aligned, it's also going to help make you look and feel more confident, allowing you to engage better with people, not the ground.
Are you ready to transform the way you walk? Join our exclusive Transform Your Walk Root, Power, and Direction course and discover the secrets to a fluid, confident gait with minimal heel impact. The course goes on sale May 1st, but get on the waiting list now to reserve your spot, enjoy access to early release and special videos, as well as exclusive discounts. Follow the link above or the one in the description section.
My next tip is reciprocal arm swing, meaning the right arm swings forward with the left leg and the left arm swings forward with the right leg. There's a few important details regarding the reciprocal arm swing that I want to cover in this tip. First of all, as I mentioned, left arm with the right leg and right arm with the left leg. Visually speaking, this is what we are looking for. First of all, as your arms are swinging forward, the thumb should face forward, not across the body where the palms are facing back. So your palm should face across the body and thumb forward. That is a good indication of proper spinal alignment and even foot position. Because if you notice people who walk with duck feet, they almost always will have their palms facing backward and their thumbs facing across the body. The other thing to watch with reciprocal arm swing is that the arm movement is a forward action, and then it drops back passively to the side of the body. The arm should not be flung back behind the body. If it is, that is a sign of poor pelvic posture and hip action that controls the arm swing and causes it to swing back in that sort of fashion. It can also sometimes indicate that you're overstriding. When people overstride, their arms can swing forcibly forward and back like this. So make sure to watch your stride. It should be a nice, comfortable length so you can control the placement of the heel and not crash into the ground.
Tip number 3 is keeping your feet facing in the direction of travel. That means straight forward when you're walking straight and turning only if you are turning. This allows your ankles, knees, and hips to move in a way that they are anatomically designed to move. This applies on level ground, hills, and stairs. Our feet and lower body joints are not designed to face one direction while the body is moving in another. Walking with the feet turned out is called out-toeing, but most people commonly know it as duckfoot walking. This is one of the most common walking technique variations, and you can see people of every age and fitness level doing it. Walking without toeing in adults can lead to several medical problems, including joint pain. Out-toeing can cause abnormal stress on the knees, hips, and ankles, leading to joint pain and discomfort. Muscle strain. The misalignment of the legs can result in muscle imbalance and strain, particularly in the legs and lower back. Footwear wear. Uneven wear on shoes, especially on the outer edges, can occur due to the outward rotation of the feet. Postural issues. Out-toeing can affect overall posture, potentially leading to back pain and other postural problems. Reduced mobility. In severe cases, out-toeing can limit mobility and make walking or running more difficult.